Oh, hi there. Assalamualaikum. It's me Nabilah. So today I am going to introduce an app that is very useful for online learning. So the app is called Free Conference Call, or we can simply call it FCC. Well, basically, FCC is an app that is similar like Zoom, but this app is like a light version of it. Alright, before I show you how to use this app, I am going to tell you first some reasons why you have to choose this app for online learning. First, this app is totally free. Yes, it's free. We like something free, right? Second, this app could accommodate up to 1,000 participants. The third, you can use this app with unlimited time, so you don't need to worry if you need a long time for learning or for presenting some materials. The fourth, this app doesn't consume a lot of your mobile data. I have used this app for like an hour and it just consumed not more than 100 megabytes. So I think it's a big deal because it will save your mobile data and your money, of course. Alright, so that's some reasons why this app is very suitable for online learning. So now I am going to show you how to use this app properly. Let's check it out. Okay, the first thing to do, if you do not have the app, you can download it on Play Store or App Store. After you download it, the next step is open the app and click Get Started. The next step, if you do not have an account, you have to make it first. Click Create Account and then type your email and your new password. Then click Create My Free Account. But if you already have an account, just click Login and enter your email and your password. So here is the display after you log in, and that is my meeting ID. And if you are a new user, you can create or change your meeting ID in settings. And that's it. Now you already have an account. Alright, after that, you can choose your role. You can be a participant or you also can be a host. If you want to be participants or joining someone's meeting, just click Join in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then enter the meeting ID and click Join. And after that, you can choose only conference call or conference video call. If you want to join a conference call, click Call In. But if you want to join a conference video call, click Call In using Wi-Fi or data. And this is the display if you are joining someone's meeting. As you can see, there's some icons, right? So I'm gonna tell you the functions of each icon. First, chat icon. If you click it, you can send the message to all participants. The second, participants icon. If you click it, you can see all the participants that is joining the meeting. And then next, speaker icon. If you cannot hear the voice clearly, just click the icon and you will hear the voice louder. Next, there's a reaction icon. If you want to react the presenter, just click the icon. And move to the bottom, there's a mic icon. You can turn your mic on or off by clicking that icon. And then beside mic icon, there's a video icon. If you want to turn on the camera, just click the icon, and if you want to turn off, just click it again. And the last, there's a leave icon. Click the button if you want to leave the meeting when it's already ended. So that's the step if you are the participants. Alright? If you want to be a host, so here's the step. Okay, first, after you open the app, click Host, and then choose Call In using Wi-Fi or data. And here is the display if you are a host. Well, basically, it's actually similar like if you are a participant, but there's some privilege if you become a host. And the privilege are, first, you can record the whole meeting, and second, you can share your screen to your participants, and third, you can make your participants become a presenter, so your participants could also share their screen. If you want to record the meeting, just click the record icon. And if you want to share your screen to the participants, so here's the step. First, click the 3-line icon at the upper left corner, and then choose Start Screen Sharing. Then, if your phone asks a permission like this, click Allow. After that, the display will look like this, and then you can open your material like your PDF, PPT or something like that in your files, and then you can just expand your material. And when you are done with your screen sharing, just click Stop. So that's it. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so that's some simple tutorial how to use pre-conference call as a learning media, and I really hope that it was useful for you who watched this video, and thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye!